Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Fossil Gen 6. This is the Gen 6 44mm with the link bracelet, and this is actually a little video for Whatnot. I did some live streaming, showing you guys me doing some live bidding on Whatnot, which is a live auction website. They just got into electronics about 6 months ago. They just started up their electronics category, and this was one of the things I bid on. This watch retails for about $320 at Best Buy when it's not on sale. It was on sale recently for about $230, but I picked this up on Whatnot for $98. And it is in great condition. Came with a box. I'm pretty sure it was just an open box return. It doesn't look like it's been used. It's not scratched up or anything like that. Everything is working right here. I did set it up and pair it with my phone. I was going to try it on and wear it for a little bit and try it out, but it's not my size, and I don't have anything to get the little pins out to size it. So it is currently for sale. But yep, that is the Fossil Gen 6. I got it on Whatnot, like I said, $98. Retails for about $320, $330 when it's not on sale. So there is that. Check out Whatnot. I'll leave my referral link down below. There's a bunch of different stuff on there. When you use my link, you do get a $10 credit towards your first purchase on there. So make sure you check that out. You get a little bit of a discount. Depending on what you bet on, you might even get it for free because some auctions start at $1. So check it out in the link below. I will be showing some other stuff that I purchased on there as well. I've got some mystery boxes coming and some other electronics accessories as well that I'll be showing on the channel here in the coming week or so. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.